Alright guys, welcome back to my space. It's been a while. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you how to use the Octra wallet to send transactions. That is, there are two kinds of transaction in the Octra wallet. For Octra Testnet, you have to send transactions. There are the encrypted transactions and the normal transaction. So I'll be showing you how to perform both. If you don't know how to create the wallet, I'll show you how to do that. Ensure you join their Discord. This is their Discord channel. Now let's start. Look at this website here. This website is what I'll copy and I'll go to my browser. I'm using Google Chrome. Paste it there. I'll paste it there and it will load up. After it loads up, remember you have to sign in your your GitHub account. After you sign in your GitHub account, come to this place here. This place that there is code and all the code space that you have in there will load up. If it is not there, it will be in this local side here. You have to switch it to code space, and if you have created your wallet already, you will see this. Look at it in the code space section. So if you haven't created code space, it will be in this local by default, but go to code space. If you have not created code space, I'll show you in the next video. Now I already have my Octra wallet created and I've been making some transactions in the wallet. So what I'll do now is to click this three dotted line here and go to open in browser. The wallet will load up because I saved it there. Now after it loads up, remember I'm using a mobile phone. You can do this too on PC. After it loads up, it will load up like this, load up in this way. It will load up in this manner. Yes, it will load up in this manner like you can see here. It will load up like this. But if you have not created your wallet and learned how to open this code space like this, I will create other videos to do that, but this video is specifically to show you how to run transactions in this wallet. Now when you look at this point here, you see command area is where you enter the commands that will perform the transactions or the actions you want to do in this wallet space here. Now this number 1 to 7 here is how you execute command. With number 1 to 9 there or 0 there, you use it to execute command. Now when you press number 1 in the command section, you have to press enter. I'm using a mobile phone, so the enter is the action button here, this button here, and that number 1 is to send transaction. So it will ask for the wallet address where you want to send the transaction. I input a wallet address, and again I'll still press enter after inputting the wallet address. The next thing it will ask is the amount of coins you want to send to that person. I'll press 2 and I'll press enter. Enter is the button near the dots here. Now it has option to write a message. You can write any kind of message, just optional. It's optional. After I just wrote rubbish there, and I'll press enter. You can still press enter without writing the message. Now you can see it. The next word is yes or no. Yes is y, no is any. So I'll press y there. You can see the y appeared here. You can see it. After inputting the y, I press enter, and you can see the transaction was accepted. Look at it here, and press enter to continue. I press it again and finalize the whole transaction. So I just sent a transaction. That transaction is what is known as the normal transaction. There's another type of transaction. It's called the encrypted transaction, which you have to encrypt some of your crypto faucets, that is, some of the coins you have in your wallet. You have to encrypt them first by using the number 4. When you press number 4, it will appear in the commands there, and press enter. Then you can just encrypt some of your crypto coins. I have much, but for the sake of this video, I'll still encrypt a little. I think I entered 4. Let me encrypt 4. After pressing 4, you press enter. You see, encrypt 4 coins, 4 Octra coins. Yes or no? I'll put yes, which is y, and it says duplicate transaction. So guys, I already have some encrypted token. That is why it didn't work. Now I'll press enter to go back to the home page of the wallet. Now I want to send a private transfer, which is number 6. If you are watching the command section, number 6 is private transfer, and that private transfer is how you send your encrypted coins. When you press number 6, press enter, you have to input the wallet you are sending to, and you have to choose the amount of coins. This time around it is encrypted coins. You press number, you have to input the number of coins you want to send. I'm sending 4. I press enter. You have to agree if it is yes or no. That is to confirm the transaction. I press yes. Duplicate transaction. This is because I have performed transactions before that I just have to wait before I can perform another transaction. That is just all. So it's the same process. Now, after you send encrypted transaction to someone, if the person in turn send back to you, those private transactions that they will send to you, you have to claim them. Now look at this wallet here. You see claimable here. Claimable says 8 transfers. So I have 8 encrypted transactions to claim. How do I claim them? I'll press the number 7. Input command number 7, claim transfers. Now look at all the encrypted transactions I have from 1 to 8 there. Now I can in here enter a number to claim 0 to, so I'll input number 8. If you input number 8, you claim the particular number. That transaction in the number 8 section is what you will claim, not that you have claimed all of them. No, you have to claim all of them one by one. So I input number 8 and press enter, and you can see I've claimed 3 Octra coins. The number 8 is claimed. Now you will see in the wallet section now that I have 7 transfers, no longer 8. So to claim them, you input the number 7 command, and you input the specific number that you want to claim and make the claim. That is how it is done. So guys, this is basically all you have to do anytime you come to this wallet section to make transaction or to interact in the testnet section. So let me show you some basics that are required. Now, for example, let's say you open this page after you have run your command, after creating wallet, and you don't see this whole thing, but you are sure that you have opened this kind of page before. Let's say after you open the page, this is what you will do. After you open the page, immediately you open it for the first time, this is what you do. Go to this section here, look at this option, look at this option here, look at rename. You have to name it to what you can relate with, like how I named mine. Now you can name yours to anything, and that will keep it saved in the wallet. But now let's say you exited this this terminal. Look at it, because it is in the terminal section we have here to input command or interact with the wallet. Let's say you exited the terminal. How do you bring it back? Just for example, I want to exit the terminal for illustration sake. I will just exit. Now the terminal is gone. Now this doesn't mean that you have not started anything before, because as you can see, I can see the name of that my file showing there. So how do I bring it back up here? So go to this hamburger button, that 3/ by the top right there, and go to terminal, new terminal. So when you open a new terminal, it will be blank. It won't be like before. You have to run some codes. Look at the code you will run. I'll be dropping the codes in the section. Look at the codes you run. Now this is the first one, this cd Octra _pre_client. You paste it there and run it. Then you go again, you run another code, this ./run.sh. You paste it there and you run it. So the stuff will run up for you, and it will bring up that wallet interface. Now you can see the wallet interface has appeared. Now what I just showed you now, I suffered before I could get it. So this is an advantage of following who knows the road. So your wallet is back. If you exit the Chrome and you don't find it, this is how to get back there, as far as you saved it in the first instance. So guys, in the next video I'll be showing you how to run your wallet interface, or if you have not created a wallet, I'll be showing you how to create it too. So let's wait for the next video. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.